There's a myth that seems to be pretty frequently perpetuated that Ashkenazi Jews are descendants of the Khazars. We just aren't. That was a theory posited in a book, and it was fairly reasonable at the time. However, modern genetic data shows that to just not be true. Actually, Ashkenazi are roughly generally around like 40 to 50% Levantine, 40 to 50% Southern Italian, and about 10% Eastern European. Now I'm going to explain the whole story behind the modern theory as to what the exact process there was. So basically, what happened is the Romans went to West Asia, the western part of the Eastern Mediterranean, and they come across these Jews, and they're like, okay, we'll take them as slaves. And these Jews, they marry. They only take men from the region. This is why the Y chromosome DNA is just about 100% Levantine, of Ashkenazim. However, the mitochondrial DNA, which is passed down from mother to child, is almost 100% European. That's why we have mitochondrial DNA that's European, Y chromosome DNA that's Levantine. Okay. Now, total autosomal DNA was a pretty large chunk European in ancient samples, as there was a lot less actual Israelite admixture, right? Now, they keep going, they expand, and kind of have little communities all over Europe. We go through Germany, go all the way to Eastern Europe, and we kind of settle around there. So, no Khazars. So yeah. And then because we lived in Eastern Europe for so long, there's naturally a little bit of Eastern European admixture. But it's really not those like claims of being 100% European or being Khazars. We are Levantine. We are Israelites. I mean that in the sense of like related to the original Israelite population that the Bible and the Torah reference. I'm not gonna get all political about it, but yeah, that's what science says. So if you don't believe it, you're just a conspiracy theorist. I hate to break it to you.